Now we are going to start the sharpening from the upper clipper blade. We have sharpened the upper clipper blade. Then we want to sharpen for the bottom clipper blade now. You know, the first testing was for the upper clipper blade. We tested it, we sharpened it. Now the second one is the bottom clipper blade. We have tested it, we know where to start. This is where the shining is, plenty shining. This is where we get the coloring. This is where we are going to start the job. When we turn it in this way, we are starting from here. Don't forget, this is where the shining is. So we are starting from here. So let me apply. We have used special stone. We have here special stone. We have used biscuit bone. Now remain the kerosene. Don't forget. So if you are in a hurry, you use your finger to tap. You see the way I'm tapping? You see the way I'm tapping? To cover the whole surface. To cover the whole surface. You see it in this way? You see it? Then after you clean, you take the rag, you clean your fingers. Then, don't forget, this is the shining. We are starting from here. Here like this. So we are going 20 times here, 20 times here. You now check. You see the way I place my thumb? From the center here, let me come with the pointer. Where do I place the pointer? Where do I put the pointer? Okay. So when you divide the blade into two like this, watch carefully. So your thumb will cover one side. That is 2 and fro 20 times. Then when we want to sharpen the other side, your thumb will cover this side. That is 2 and fro 20 times. Balance up. Then we'll now check the work. Let me return the pointer. Yeah, let's go now. That is 2 and fro 20 times here. So when the chemical split at the back, you try to use rag. You see the way I do it. You see it. You remove the solution. Then the second side is here. We have done for this one 2 and fro 20 times. Remains here now. You see the way I cover it. It will not cover here. Here. That is 2 and fro 20 times. Let me pick it out before I show you how the surface is before we clean it. You see it? Then you see the back. Let us now clean. Let us clean it now and look at the surface. Let me get it closer to the camera so you can be able to watch it carefully. Watch now. Can you see it? So we are getting the total flatness across and total shining across. You see it? You see it in this way? You see it? Now we now test. We take the upper clipper blade on top of the bottom clipper blade. You see it like this. So when you test now, when we open it, then we see carbon fill the surface, the inner surface of the upper and the bottom clipper blade, where the upper clipper blade is touching with the surface of the bottom clipper blade, which means when we get the carbon throughout that area, black carbon, which means the blade is sharpened correctly, they lay properly, and when you mount it, you treat it the normal. Then you apply the oil, you now use it to cut. It will now cut like a new clipper blade, or even better than the new clipper blade. Let's test very well. Let us test it very well so that we can be able to achieve our aim. Don't let us rush too much. We can be able to get the better result. So when we open it now, let us open it and check the inside. See what I'm saying? You see the carbon fill, black carbon, where the upper blade, the inner surface of the upper clipper blade is touching with the inner surface of the bottom clipper blade. Can you see it in this way? This is how to sharpen or to correct a clipper blade that was sharpened incorrectly before. You now put it back to normal to work like a new clipper blade, or even better than the new clipper blade. Can you see it in this way? You see the carbon fill the inner surface? You can see it in this way. So thank you for watching my tutorial. Thank you. I really appreciate you for watching my tutorial. Please like this video, comment, share, and don't forget, subscribe to my channel and press the notification button before you go. Thank you. Be expecting another valuable tutorial after this one.